Hello everybody, once again I am Robert and this is Corvette World Dallas, and I've got another fabulous C7R to show you tonight. So look at this beauty. So if you watch my channel, you know a couple videos ago we did a black one. Well, this is the other ones. They came in black, they came in yellow. They're a limited special edition commemorating the Corvette Racing team in 2016. 650 units total, and they're all numbered. This is number 237 of that 650. Check this baby out. So right off the bat, the C7R Special Editions came as fully loaded 3LZ Z07 packages. They came in coupe and convertible. Obviously, this is a coupe. We have the visible carbon fiber Stage 3 aero package. You have the, I don't know if the lighting's going to do any justice, but you have the Spectra gray exterior accents, including in the vents. The hood, this is not carbon flash. This is Spectra gray. That's part of the C7R. Visible carbon fiber hood stinger with the Jake Corvette Racing Punisher logo. We have the beautiful gloss black with yellow groove stripe wheels, the massive J57 brakes with the big calipers there in yellow. More of the Spectra gray accenting in the side vents. We have the carbon flash mirror and spoiler setup. You don't get the visible carbon fiber roof, but you get it is the painted carbon fiber roof with the C7R Edition decal. This, of course, runs all the way through the back. More Spectra gray in the vents. And we got the full Stage 3 aero setup here, as you can see. All three wickers in the full size here. We got it all the way up. This is, of course, not OEM. This is aftermarket, but, of course, it goes perfectly with the car. Black, not carbon flash, but black badge package that you have that's exclusive to the C7R. NPP multi-mode exhaust, of course, is standard. It's a C7 coupe, so we got plenty of storage space, as you can see here. And from the behind, while we're back here, you can see the gloss finish of the competition seats. And we'll get to that once we get to the front. But as you can see, it looks very clean with those comp seats. All right, coming to the interior. So, comes standard with the jet black Napa leather with the yellow stitching, microfiber suede armrest, and wraparound accents, carbon fiber interior package, suede wrap steering wheel with the yellow stitching. This one is an automatic, as you can see. We have the navigation with the performance data recorder, front and rear cameras, the microfiber suede upper trim package, and yes, the competition sport seats with suede inserts, and they have the exclusive C7R head embossed and stitched logo. We also have the C7R door sill. 100% bone stock. You can see we got our beautiful hand-built LT4 6.2 liter with 1.7 liter Eaton Supercharger. Hand assembled by Kathy Walker. Shout out to Kathy. Thank you. FE7 Z07 magnetic select ride suspension, the dry sump oil system, and again a rehashed 650 horsepower with 650 pound-feet of torque. Previous owner was nice enough to laminate the original window stickers. You can see all our options here. It had a 115,590 window sticker. We have it here at 25,500 miles. We got it priced at $79,995. Again, these are getting harder and harder to come by now. So if you are interested in this beauty or any other Corvettes in my inventory, please see your info up in the corner and down in the description below. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.